In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to trustwallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your coins safely and avoid the common pitfalls that lead to delays or lost funds. First, open trustwallet and locate the specific cryptocurrency you plan to receive. Make sure you're looking at the correct version of the asset because some coins exist on multiple networks. For example, a token might have versions on Ethereum and other chains. If you don't see the asset on your home screen, use the search bar, and if needed, enable it so it appears in your list. Next, tap Receive for that asset to bring up your Trust Wallet address. This is the destination where your crypto will be sent. You can copy the address to your clipboard or use the QR code if you're on another device. Double check that the network shown matches the network you intend to send from Uphold. If the asset requires a memo, tag, or note common with certain coins, make sure you have that ready as well. Remember, never share your recovery phrase. You're only sharing the wallet address for this single asset. Now switch over to your Uphold portfolio and find the same crypto asset you just selected in Trust Wallet. Make sure you have a balance available to withdraw and consider that network fees may apply. Tap the asset, choose withdraw, and then select crypto networks. This ensures you're sending directly to an external wallet instead of to a bank or another user. When you're asked to pick a network, select the one that exactly matches the address you copied from Trust Wallet. This is crucial. Sending over the wrong network can result in a failed or unrecoverable transfer. Take a moment here to confirm that network alignment. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the destination field in Uphold. Carefully verify the first and last few characters of the address to prevent mistakes, and include any required memo or tag if the asset uses one. A missing or incorrect memo can delay or block your transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, then review the estimated network fee and any minimum withdrawal amount. If it's your first time transferring this asset, consider starting with a small test amount for peace of mind. When everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You'll see a pending status while the network processes the transaction. Depending on the chain, this can take a few minutes to longer during busy periods. You can monitor the status in Uphold's activity, and once confirmed, the funds will appear in